How much will it cost to have a qualified electrician install your electric vehicle charger for your home? Want to know the best EV charger for your needs at a price you can afford? Stop struggling at the car charging station waiting for your battery to charge in slow motion. Question: when it comes to Miami, Florida electric vehicle charger installation, what do you think is the biggest challenge folks have? One of the biggest challenges people have with electric vehicle charger installation is finding a reliable electrician that will install a car charging station in your home for a fair price. Why is this such a challenge? It's because so many people make this big mistake, going with a less reputable electrician that hasn't been trained on how to install residential car chargers. Why should you care? You should care because you want to know how to choose a qualified electrician that can install an electric vehicle charger in your home correctly the first time. Are you the type of person that wants the job done right using the highest quality materials? Perfect. Let's make this easy. Here are 4 tips to help you be able to know exactly how much it will cost to get a new electric car charger installed in your home. The cost to install an electric vehicle charger in your home is determined by 4 main things. Can your electric panel handle the extra load? Where do you want to put the charger? What type of charger do you want? How fast you want to charge your car? The amount of electricity service to your home is measured in amperage. Many homes pull either 60, 100, or 200 amperes of current. The number of major appliances your home uses impacts how much power you will have available to dedicate towards a circuit for a home car charging station. Most EVs can take in about 32 amperes, adding around 25 miles of range per hour of charging, so a 32 amperes charging station is a good choice for many vehicles. A qualified electrician can make recommendations on where to place your charger. The length of the charge cable is another consideration depending on where you park your car. Interior garage installations are typically less expensive than exterior installations. If you place your EV charge point anywhere near where you park, then you've done 90% of the work. Nobody wants to wait for the battery to charge before you can drive your car. This is important because charge speed is an important thing to consider when choosing an EV charging station. If you do not drive that much and plan to charge at night, you can go with a slow charger. Slower chargers start in the $200 range. Slower electric vehicle chargers can take up to 40 hours to give a full charge. If you drive more, take a lot of short trips, or don't have a charge station at work, you may benefit from a fast charger. Faster chargers can go as high as $1,000 or more plus installation. Purchase your charger and have it installed at least 30 days prior to the delivery of your electric vehicle. This is important because having a reliable and fast home EV charging solution will impact your overall driving experience. The next thing you should consider is to choose an accredited, experienced electric car charger installer. This is important because not all electricians are qualified to install electric vehicle chargers in the home. Now you understand some of the top Miami electric vehicle charger installation tips. Are you ready to know exactly how much it will cost to get a new electric car charger installed in your home? Ready to get help with Miami electric vehicle charger installation? Get a free electric vehicle charger installation quote. Call 888-294-7371.